James was a 27-year-old software developer who had struggled with porn addiction since his teenage years. At first, it seemed harmless, just a way to relieve stress. But over time, it became a daily habit, affecting his motivation, relationships, and self-esteem. Step 1. Recognizing the problem. One day, James realized he was spending hours each week watching explicit content instead of working on his personal projects or going out with friends. His social life was suffering, and his dating confidence was at an all-time low. He noticed that he felt guilty after watching, yet he couldn't stop. Step 2. Understanding the triggers. James started tracking when and why he watched porn. He found patterns. He turned to it when he was stressed, lonely, or bored. His urges were strongest at night before bed or when he was alone for long periods. Step 3. Replacing the habit. Instead of just trying to quit, James replaced the habit with healthier activities. Exercise. He started running in the evenings, which helped reduce stress. New hobbies. He learned to play the guitar, keeping his hands busy. Socializing. He made plans with friends instead of staying home alone. Mindfulness and meditation. This helped him regain self-control. Step 4. Setting up barriers. To make quitting easier, James took practical steps. Blocked adult websites using filters on his devices, deleted all saved content and cleared his browsing history, set screen time limits on his phone to avoid mindless scrolling. Step 5. Finding support. At first, James was embarrassed to talk about it, but he finally confided in a close friend. They encouraged him to stay accountable. He also joined an online support group where he met others on the same journey. Step 6. Overcoming relapses. James wasn't perfect. He had setbacks. Instead of hating himself, he analyzed what triggered the relapse and made adjustments. Each time, he got back on track faster. Step 7. Seeing the results after 90 days, James felt a huge difference, more energy and motivation. Better focus at work, improved confidence in dating, a deeper sense of self-control. Key takeaways for you. Acknowledge the problem and your triggers. Replace the habit with positive activities. Set barriers to make quitting easier. Seek support from friends or groups. Be patient and forgive yourself if you relapse. Keep moving forward. But seriously, if you're on this journey, know that you're not alone and you can break free with the right mindset and habits. Stay strong, take it one step at a time, and celebrate your progress. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.